Jalen, let's give you some extra perspective on the aftermath of the disastrous flooding in Vado, New Mexico. Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham just issued an emergency executive order for funding for flood response. The order will send $750,000 in support funds. The state also requested FEMA to help with damage assessments next week. As ABC7 reported, some residents were frustrated with the lack of help in cleaning floodwaters. We reached out to Doña Ana County asking if the county is obligated to clear private property. The county emailed us saying while there isn't an obligation, an emergency declaration allows it to do some repairs on private roads for safety. The county says they are doing what they can to remove debris and clean public roads.
Well, what started as a traffic